What is up, people? I hope that you're good, and I hope this microphone is audible enough. So here we've got a PlayStation 5, and it's dead. I was in the process of taking it apart, so I'll just continue with that, and we will see what's happening inside. So yeah, just before I take it completely off, let me just try to switch it on. Like AC, you can hear the sound there, and that something has been plugged. But when you press the side, there is no response, nothing whatsoever. It's completely dead. So I'm just hoping it's going to be power supply related. Let me finish taking it apart, and then I'll resume the video. Alright, so the console is open now. Let's see if we've got any voltage on the power supply. So I'm gonna put the multimeter in voltage mode over there, DC to be specific. Okay, that's plugged. Let's see what we're getting. And we're getting a 0, nothing whatsoever. So it's a dead power supply. We're gonna be working on that. Take it out of the casing here. Okay, so I have to open that as well, and then see from there what we can do. Alright, so I've taken off the MOSFET. This is our culprit. Let me reduce the volume of this music. Alright, so when we measure across it, you can hear it's just beeping. All the pins are beeping. This is bad. It's not just beeping, it's got 0 ohm resistance. On every pin. What's wrong with this thing? I reduced the volume just now. I end up having to pause it actually. So this is dead. Now when we're measuring on the power supply, we took this MOSFET off from over here. So now when we measure that position, we no longer have a short. We don't have a short at all. And then this MOSFET, it was giving us a short circuit before this one. And now we don't. We're getting like some ohms there, as you can see. And on the output, we are no longer getting a short circuit. Wait for it. There we go. No short. So we just have to replace that MOSFET. So the number, it's there, 6NA3R4L. So let me pause the video, find that MOSFET, and then change it. Fingers crossed, this should work. Alright, so I found these MOSFETs from, this is a PlayStation 4 power supply. So the number, it's K80A04K. So the amperage is exactly the same, 100%, and the voltage, that's the one that's different. So the voltage is 60 volts, this one is 40 volts. Then when you look at the range, it's pretty much the same, so this should do. Going to replace with this one, and then see from there. This thing's stuck. I think I now need a flat for this. Oh well. Okay, let me find the screwdriver for this. Okay, let's remove this MOSFET. It's the one over there. When I was taking off the MOSFET from the power supply that I was fixing, I forgot to press play, so I didn't record that process at all. There we go. So yeah, hopefully this should fix our issue. I'm trying to aim though. There we go. It has to be lowered further. Alright. Alright, so the MOSFETs, I've managed to put them on the heat sink over there. So now the only thing left to do is to solder the pins. And that will be basically it. Okay. There we go. Alright, there we go. So that's pretty much it. Let's check for the short circuit, because I didn't even check if this MOSFET works or not. We'll just check on the output there. And we don't have a short. We don't have a short. Let's check on the MOSFET itself. Everything seems fine. Yeah, that's because I connected the probes in reverse. Yeah, that's fine. So yeah, I'm going to plug the AC cable. I'm going to plug the AC cable and then we measure what voltage we're getting there. Hopefully nothing is going to explode here. But But anyways, we're used to explosions. Okay. There we go. Back to voltage mode, which is DC. Let's see what voltage we've got. And there we go, 11.97, 11.98. This is fixed. So I'm going to put it back in the chassis and then we'll test the console. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm going to close this power supply and then put it back in the chassis. And that'll be it. Okay, so it's pretty much in the chassis now. Just gonna plug the fan. Yeah, there we go. And now I have to. This is short. Okay, let's press the power button and see. There's no sound. Oh, I disconnected the AC cable from the plug. Oh, there we go. We've got a fence pin, we've got a blue light. Let's wait for a white light. And there we go, we've got a white light. So this is working. I'm just going to take it and plug it to the TV there and see if we get a picture. Okay, so this TV was never switched on today. Okay, TV respond. There you go, TV is on. Plug AC to the PS5. Power. Oh, it's not connected there. Okay, there we go. Got a beep, got a fence pin, blue light. What do we get? We gonna see it now. There we go. We have picture. So this is fixed, guys. We'll just have to call the customer to come and collect. But this is pretty much it. It's done. It's gonna restart now because it was doing a storage check. Probably been off for days now. There we go. I've got a PlayStation logo. Yeah, connected dual 5 controller. What? Let me get a controller and plug it in just to see if it goes entirely into the system. Alright, so I got the controller here. I'll press the PS button. Does it respond? Yes, it does. Photosensitive epilepsy. I don't know why it seems jumpy on the screen, on the camera, but it's clean this side. So this is okay. This is fixed. Yeah, this is fine. Yeah, I'm gonna play FIFA 26 today. This is fun. And that's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in another video. Cheers and goodbye.